Hi guys, Miss Jackson here. How are you? I am out in my fabulous rock area. Thought you might like to see these. We call that big rock. Can you guess? Oh, there's a cat. Hi, cat. We call that big rock Turtle Head Rock. Can you see why? Do you see the eyes and the mouth and the head? Some more big rocks. It's pretty up here. I love the moss. This is called lichen. And that is called Cosmo. So I am going to read you a book called Nature Did It First. Whoa, it's falling. I don't have my tripod today. By Susan Goodman. And the photographs are by Dorothy Handelman. Okay? And we're just going to look at the book this time, okay? Instead of Miss Jackson. And we'll see how that works. Nature did it first. Ooh, there's a butterfly coming out of a chrysalis. Camouflage. This young man is wearing camouflage like an army kid or a hunter. Nature did it first. Look at that cheetah. Can barely see him because of the way the light hits. And he looks like a branch. Spots and color of its fur help the leopard hide while hunting. Baby carrier. Can you guess who did that first? Hello, cat. This cat is Holly. That's a different cat. Can you guess who did it different first? Did you guess a kangaroo? Nature did it first. Joey's baby kangaroos live in their mother's pouches for 10 months after birth. Wow. They start out really tiny. And then see how big? I got to be friends with a baby kangaroo once. That was so much fun. Shower. Who do you think did this first? It's one of my favorite animals. The elephant. Nature did it first. Elephants use their trunks to wash, also to eat, drink, smell, breathe, touch, and fight. Made up of 100,000 muscles, trunks can be strong enough to lift heavy logs and flexible enough to pick up a peanut. Cool. Straw. Who did that first? The moth and the butterfly and other pollinators. Some moths and butterflies suck nectar through a long hollow tube called a proboscis. The drinking straw tongue of this dotted skipper butterfly coils up when it is not being used. Umbrella. Can you guess? Nature did it first. In wet climates, some termite nests are protected by umbrella-shaped roofs, which make the rain spill off to the side. Scissors. Can you guess? Ooh. Leaf cutter ants use the leaves they cut up as soil to grow the fungus that they like to eat. Like all ants, their mandibles are a set of jaws that move sideways, not up and down like ours. Spill-proof container. He's got a juice box, doesn't he? Eggshells protect what's inside, but they aren't solid. Tiny holes called pores let air in so the developing chicks can grow. These eggs will hatch into a family of scrub jays. You know, I have chickens. They have eggs. which I love. Armor. Oh, he's got knee pads and a helmet and wrist pads and elbow pads to keep himself safe. The armadillo. The armadillo is the only mammal that has bones in its skin. Though some armadillos roll into a ball to protect themselves, most of them try to run or dig their way to safety. Sleeping bag. There's the chrysalis, and there's the caterpillar inside, and it'll come out as a butterfly. A monarch caterpillar goes into its sleeping bag for much longer than one night. Its chrysalis keeps it warm and safe while it changes into a butterfly. Family. Oh, penguins. Oh, go. Taking care of children is part of nature. For penguins and people may take ideas from nature to make helmets and juice boxes, but we are all part of nature too. That is so right. I love that book. Nature did it first. Hey Cosmo, did you like that book? Kitty, kitty? Yeah? Okay, say goodbye to Turtle Rock and all this beautiful nature here. And I'll say goodbye to you. I hope you have a beautiful day and that you get to go outside and explore nature. It's my happiest place. I miss you and I love you. Hugs and kisses.